Start standing with your feet together and your palms together, grounding and elongating. Stamping your feet to 4-beat, egg tall. Palms up, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will continue all exercises in 3 speeds: slow, medium, and fast. Your palms are simply opening and lifting up, 4 steps up and 4 steps down. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maintain elongated spine. Drop your tailbone. And stamp your feet in rhythm, trying to create sound with your stamp. Next will be 4 times with the heels, on the heels, warming up the feet. The palms are in Mayura Mudra, right hand in front of the heart, left hand in front of the right. And the hands are circling each other as you perform the footsteps. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Double. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Neck moves along with the footwork, to the right when you stamp your right and to the left when you stamp your left heel. As you move into the faster speed, your hands and neck do not move much faster, but they maintain slow and graceful pace, while your feet increasing their speed. Continue to stamp your heels in rhythm. And an extra faster speed, just stamping the heels as fast as you can, keeping your toes up. And circle your hands in a relatively slow and a comfortable pace. It's also called a beginning step. The next step will be warming your toes by lifting up on your toes, heels up. Your hand movement, again Mayura Mudra, right hand open, out, up and back to center, face up, out, all the way up above the head and back to center, with your foot work. 4 beats to go all the way around with the right and 4 beats with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, continue. Again, we will perform it in 3 speeds: slow, medium and fast. And double speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, continue. Keep your heels up, stamping the toes only. Next will be the wrist warm-up. We will circle our palms out 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, reverse direction and opposite direction. Maintain choke our arms. Your elbows are shoulder height. Your forearms are perpendicular to your upper arms. And we'll go a little faster, circling outward only. 16 times. We'll conclude our preparation set with 3 sets of torso warm-up. We'll start with sliding the torso from side to side, to the right, center, and to the left and center, trying to isolate the rib cage from the rest of the body, maintaining long and erect spine and grounded feet, steady legs. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Trying to keep the hips stable. And a little faster this time. 1, 2, 1, 2, right, left, 1, 2, 1, 2, right, left, 1. The next torso warm-up will be moving forward and backward. Again, isolating the rib cage from the hips, reaching the rib cage and sternum forward and pushing it backward, forward and backward. Starting slow and increasing the speed twice. Accentuate the torso movement and try to minimize the shoulders movement. And the last torso warm-up is the full circle, combining the side to side and the front and back into a circle. Right, back, left, forward, right, back, left, forward, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and a little faster and smoother. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way around. Again, isolating the rib cage, minimizing the movement in the hips and shoulders. And reverse. Start to your left. Slow speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isolating the 4 directions. 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, double speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 times. And double speed 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And this concludes the preparation set.